In this video, we'll see how you can assign values to multiple variables at the same time. So there could be two cases. The first one, you want to assign the same value to multiple variables, or the second one is that you want to assign different variables the different values. So these are the two cases. Let's figure out how you can do the assignment in each of these cases. So the first one is you want to assign the same value to different variables. So let's say I have three variables, x, y, and z. X, comma, y, comma, z. These are the three variables, right? So I'm going to assign the same value to all of these variables. So what I do is x equals y equals z equals 10. So I assign the value 10 to all of these variables x, y, and z. And let's check by printing print x and then print y and then print z. Let's check it out if it works. You can see x, y, and z, three of these variables have the same value 10. So this was the first case. Now the second case, if you want to assign different values to multiple variables but in a single line of code, that can also be done in Python. So what you all need to do is x, comma, y, comma, z equals 10, comma, 20, comma, 30. So here I am respectively assigning the values to the variables. So x will be assigned the value 10, y will be assigned the value 20, and z will be assigned the value 30. So let me try printing print x, and let me just tell you, you can also do like this: x, comma, y, comma, z. To print you can use commas. Okay, so let me just click on this run button and you can see 10, 20, 30, three different variables and three different values assigned in a single line. So that's how you can assign multiple different values to multiple different variables.